How to reset your settings without losing data in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general, and here scroll down in last. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you see the option reset. Click on reset, and on top you see the option reset all settings. Click on reset all settings. Here enter your passcode. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other personal data. It will never destroy. It will only reset all your phone settings. So this is the way to reset your iPhone without losing data in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.